Welcome back to our channel!
Why?
I don't like it because it's gonna get messy in the house. No, get behind.
Let's say,
For today's video, we are playing Pie Face Challenge.
yay! Today, mag-unbox tayo ng binili namin Pie Face Game Challenge. Wow!
Wow.
Unbox natin ito. Wow! Wow! Pie Face Challenge.
Wow, Pie Face
Showdown.
Face
Thumbnail muna
Show.
guys. Thumbnail. Thumbnail ganyan. 3, 2, 3. Ano? 3. Ano ito dyan? Okay guys, open na natin. Okay, EJ, you open the box. See what's inside. Wow. We have the... ito yung... para sa chin. Dito i-rest. Oh, dito mo i-rest yung chin mo. Okay, we have the cartoon. Cartoon. Or dito. Wait, kailangan daw natin i-remove yung hats kasi baka madumi na. Okay. Dito mo ilagay yung face mo.
No, I'm a boy.
Ay,
I'm a boy.
boy. How about me? I'm a girl.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a girl. Main ko. Pie Face Challenge. Okay, see the box. See the box. Take on the challenge. Mash your button fastest to train your opponent. Wow. Wow, kung sino yung pinaka-fastest na mag-mash ng buttons, siya yung nanalo. Wow. Okay.
Okay, pudding.
Whipped cream not included. Okay, Mama, can you get the whipped cream sa refrigerator, please? Get the whipped cream. I-assemble na natin, EJ. Okay, EJ, try to assemble it. So, it's done for the chin. Dito, i-rest mo yung chin mo. Then, ito yung pangkat. Ouch!
Me.
Ito kayo magpalo sa mukha. Pag natalo ka. Okay, try ulit natin magpalo. 1, 2, 3, go!
It's looking wet.
Okay. Okay. Are you done?
Yeah.
Let's try natin eh. Okay. Wow, ito na yung assembled product. Wow. Wow. Okay. Your girl ka or boy?
Boy.
Oh, girl. Okay, practice daw. Okay. Oh, yan. Matanggal yun. Okay, try. Okay, let's try na.
Let's practice.
Okay, dito yung din sa practice bago
It's gonna drop on your face.
pang trapo, like this. Hindi trapo. Tanggal lagi niya siya. Meron kami whipped cream. Ito yung whipped cream namin. Mix ko kanina. Whipped cream. Yan, paano gumawa ng whipped cream? Bili na kayo ng Disney cream. And then you blend it. Or mix it properly para kailangan naka-shield siya. Para maging creamy siya. Medyo creamy talaga.
Ooh, it's creamy.
Okay, go. Sa kutsara muna. Dito sa... Ito, papaniti lang naman. Okay, natin. Okay, more. Okay, okay na yan. Okay. Kailangan talaga yung face mo naka-ganyan talaga. Okay, EJ, are you ready?
Yeah.
And 3, 2, ready? Go! Oh! 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 Na-cream. Loser si Pap. Loser. Okay guys, trapo, EJ, may trapo.
Yucky.
Okay guys, round 2. Remove na lang natin to kasi parang hindi sa gaban. Para talaga siya. Okay. Para lakas lang yung ipakak. Okay, Mama cream.
Me.
Mama cream.
Me, I want cream. Round 2. Ew.
Kailan pa natin ni Jay?
No.
Remove na lang natin na para sa round
3.
2. Papel di kabi. Cheating. Dili maglihok ba? Dili maglihok.
Ew.
Okay, ito kaya ano tabi. Dapat isulod yun yung mga imong face diri. Okay. Sulod jud. Sulod jud ba? Sulod. Sulod din mong nung ba? Para good makakuan ka. Ano, sulod 1, 2, 3, go. Round 2. Okay, next round 3.
The taste smells good. Thank you, Babu.
Sige, buta nga. Okay, round 3. 3, 2, 1. Sarap. You need to wash this first. Wash, Mama. Sarap ng cream.
Ew, rocks. It's
Ah, meron pala tayong special guest today. So, lalaro. Okay, wait na. Tawagin ko.
It is good, Babu.
So weird.
Round 2.
You cheat.
Okay. Wait ko na. Ready? Go! Three. Ready? Go! Okay. Okay, all done na.
He's
Okay.
the winner.
Okay na, so ngayon yun na nga guys. Nilaro na namin yung 5-face challenge. Ano ba tingin say about the 5-face challenge to, EJ?
I like it.
Medyo messy lang siya konti guys kasi yung cream, yung whipped cream kailangan talaga maraming tissue. Okay, pero masarap yung whipped cream ang gamit namin. Okay. I like the 5-face challenge toy.
Yes, it's so good.
So good Parang matibay din siya guys.
I want to taste it.
Ayan yung mechanic
I
niya.
want to taste it.
Ayan Kailangan kung sino yung pinakamabilis siya yung panalo kasi pag mabilis ka, yung kalaban mo ay talo.
Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Maraming salamat.
See you in my next vlog. Bye.
Bye.